Yeah, hi guys, welcome to my channel, Common Man. See, our calling bell is not properly working because the switch has broken. So I have been entrusted with this responsibility to change this switch. These are modular switches, and sometimes we find difficulty to change these things because we don't know that how to change these things. But it's very easy. What you need is a set of screwdrivers and this tester. That is the only thing you need, and obviously the new switch. See, before opening up this modular switches, then what you need to do, you just have to run the screwdrivers all around the edges, because otherwise this modular switches, when you open, so this plaster will come off. So it's very important that you just clear these edges with the screwdriver, so that when you open the front plate, that the plaster does not come off. So it's after you clear all the edges, press like this, it will come off, this plate. Once this plate comes off now, so there will be inside two screws, right? So you have to just one very important thing, that before you touch this switch, you have to put the main switch off, because always remember, when you work in any electrical switches or circuits, that is mandatory for the safety norms to switch off the main switch. So you have to just take this screws out. There is two screws with which this board is connected to the box. There will be another one on each side. So once you remove these screws, the board should come off. I had another problem with this thing, because as this is an old installation, we are staying in this house for last 10-12 years. So this model of the switch that is installed here is no longer available. I tried to locate this switch in so many places, but I could not locate. So these two screws will come off like this. So now this electrical shop has told me that okay, if these switches are not available, then the next option is that I can change this plate, because this cutting inside is different for different switches. But as per him, the plate size is same. So let me see. I'm not sure whether the plate size is same or not. So once you do that, then you have to just remove these wires from this connection. For that, you have to change the screwdriver head, because this is a wider one. So you have to switch over to the smaller size. So this is a smaller size head. Before you touch any of the circuits, though you have just switched off this thing, but it's always important that you check whether there is any still power supply left. Wires. See, wire is removed. So wire has been removed. So what I have to do is, a bit more time, and it is locked. I need another slot to open this. See, this has come off. So now I have to insert this thing. Okay. So this is the plate. Okay. And this is the switch.
Switch to that one.
There is a switch. Okay. It should actually ideally like this, pressed inside. Okay. And now I have to connect this wires. You have to just loosen it a little bit and you have to put the wires. Like this, and you tighten the screws and just pull it a little bit to see whether it is properly tightened or not. Also, you need to do it for the other one. Maybe you have to loosen it a little bit more, because this was not going inside. And you put it inside and you tighten it. And then you pull. You pull and see whether this is working or not. Okay, now I'll put the main switch on and I'll test before I again switch on and test it. Okay, so I have to just put the switch on. I'll just pause the video for a few seconds. I'll come back. So I put the main switch on. I'll just test whether it is working or not. It's working.
It's working.
Okay. So what I will do, I'll now try to
Just off the main switch.
I have to put up the main switch. It's not required though, because it is already properly connected. So I'll do one thing.
Off করে দাও মেন সুইচটা what I mean size
Let me see if this is working or not. Gone in, and the other one. Yeah, so after a little bit of struggle, I could able to fit this switch, the board, onto this box. So he was right, absolutely. So this box sizes are same for all the switches. Only the plate sizes are different, the cutting is different. So once you fix the box, then what you have to do, just put this cutting portion over the top of this switch. You have to just see which is the correct alignment, and you have to just press like this. Properly done? I think so. Yeah? Okay? So now we are successful in replacing the switch.
just
Should go on little bit.
checked it
Okay? Just put on the main switch and we'll check whether this is done or not. Okay? Yeah?
yes
Done? Successful?
yes
Okay. Okay guys. Bye. See you next time with another very simple hack for your household goods, or maybe it can be even a vlog. It can be anything. So I'll post my daily activities maybe on a weekly basis. Okay. Bye. See you.